And yep, I just saw Laphite with wings. And look at how Docu's great horseshoe possess a Pegasus wing. And yet, Blackbeard, Marshal to Commodore. I like how Oda is playing mind games to us readers. An avid fan, kaya niyang paikutin lahat ng yan. And look at Bandai. Hinarir na nga ng Bandai ito. Diba ang Japan? Tadadaan! Yeah, that's Japan. Tadaan!